Hi, this is Patrice from Audio Excellence. This is a power amplifier. A power amplifier is a black box that amplifies a voltage signal which is feeding in its input. To do that, it draws some energy from the main supply. The power amplifier transforms the voltage of the signal into a higher voltage at the output. This is in the ideal world. A perfect power amplifier is just a black box with gain that is a multiplying factor. However, all power amplifiers have their own limits. The major limit of a power amplifier is the voltage at its output, or the power rating. It is just the maximum power that it can provide according to the impedance. When the signal at the input is raised to a level that makes it, with a gain at the output, beyond the maximum rated power output, then the clipping occurs. Clipping is just like chopping the top of the signal. The problem with clipping is that it creates an awful distortion. It's really not nice to hear. There is worse. When clipping occurs, it generates a large content of energy in the high frequencies, whereas normal signal is weighted rather towards lower frequencies. This means that the full power of the amplifier is fed into the tweeter or the HF driver, which is not meant to support that. It quite often results in damaging the loudspeaker by breaking the high frequency unit. Well, of course this is not what you want, and in general, when you need some more level, if you raise the level at the input of the amplifier, then limiting this level by the output is the worst thing to do. Not only it generates bad sound, but it creates a severe risk for your loudspeakers. So, if you don't want a power amplifier to clip, the best solution is to use a power amplifier that is providing more power, that has a higher rating. And if you want to protect your loudspeakers, the best mean is to limit it not by the power amplifier, which is the worst solution, but by some device like DSP up front in the input signal. So, for instance, if you match a 50 watts loudspeaker with a 500 watts rated power amplifier, there is nothing wrong with it. On the contrary, it is an excellent match, because you are pretty sure that the limiting factor of the loudness in your system will not be the amplifier. This is why we have designed some amplifiers that are highly rated in terms of power output. This one is a 4-channel amplifiers. Each of these 4 channels can provide 600 watts into 8 ohms and 1200 watts into 4 ohms. If you want to know more about our audio products, welcome to our website www.audio-excellence.net, and please don't forget to register. Thank you for listening.